Hey techno lovers, welcome back to the channel. Sorry I haven't uploaded videos for about a week and a half and now 2 weeks because the phones that I ordered, it arrived damaged, so I had to return them, order a new one. It took time. It took time because I get my phones from China. So anyway, but what do we have here? What do we have in the house? We have the Xiaomi Redmi K40, the special edition. This is the gaming edition one. This is a sweet, sweet device. I got this from eBay. I'll throw the link in the description if you want to pick one for yourself up for $700. The only sucky part is for now, this is the Chinese version, and the Chinese version does not support the Google Play Store. So, which is sucks. But I heard that they'll be dropping the global version soon, so stay tuned. I'm gonna do a review on that, but let's get to it, all right? So Xiaomi Redmi K40 Special Edition. Before I unbox this bad boy, what's under the hood? Well, let's go through the specs. I'll highlight some of the specs. I won't go through the details, as you know my videos. So you got glass front Gorilla 5 in the front, and in the back you have IP58 dust and splash protection. Honestly, IP58, 68, I have no idea what the difference is. What the hell is dust and splash resistance or protection? What is that? You know what I mean? Do you guys know what that is? Please let me know if you know. Because what does that mean? If it rains, you'll be okay. If you're caught in the rain, I don't know. Anyway, but it does have IP58 dust and splash protection. The display, you have OLED 1 billion colors with 120 hertz refresh rate, HDR10 plus. Your brightness goes to 500 nits. You have 6.67 inches on the display. The resolution, you have 1080 by 2400 pixels. That makes your PPI density 395. The platform, it is Android 11, but it's running on MIUI 12.5 version, and that is why we don't have the Google Play Store. All right. It has octa-core Dimensity 1200 5G chipset under the hood. You have, it doesn't have external or expandable memory, but you do have some options here. You have 128 gigabytes. You have 256 gigabytes. It comes with 8 gigabytes of RAM or 12 gigabytes of RAM, okay? You have triple camera setup in the back, 64 megapixels, 8 megapixel, which will be your ultra wide angle, and 2 megapixel camera. The front, you have a 16 megapixel camera. It does record videos up to 4K 30 frames per second. You have stereo speakers powered by JBL, that's right, JBL, all right? And the battery, it has 5065 milliamp hour battery. Okay, it does have fast charging, 67 watt fast charging. Xiaomi claims 0 to 100%. It charges in 42 minutes. But anyhow, let's unbox this bad boy and go through the specs. So you got a nice box here, Giggity. You have the Redmi K40 Bruce Lee Kung Fu, okay, special edition. This is a sweet one. Edition right here. You have the Redmi branding there, okay? Let's see, you have, there you go. So you have, what is this here? There you go. You have 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage here, okay? Redmi K40. All right, let's open this bad boy and see how it looks, okay? So on top here, let's see what does it come with. All right, you gotta, I'll throw this, you have your SIM injector right there. All right, let's see what's in here. All right, you got a bumper case here, a bumper. All right, we haven't seen this for a while, okay? And I'll show you why it's a bumper, not a full case. This is nice, you got your books and stuff, you can throw that aside. All right, now let's open I'm telling you, this is a special edition one, okay? Let's open like a drawer. It opens up like a drawer, okay? So this is your 67 watt charging brick, and this is your cable, which is type C to type A charging cable, okay? Which guys can see it here. This is pretty nice. I'm gonna put this back here. Actually, you know what? I'll just put it here. And the device. So it's pretty cool. The cover, if you just pull it all the way back, do you see how it opens up right here? Look at that. I'll just do it from the side so you guys can see. Voila. Okay. Let's put this aside for now. Oh, bam. Look at this device. Wow, this looks nice. This looks nice. Let me just wipe it down for dramatic effect, guys. Bam. Wow, look at this, man. This is sick. This is a sick device. Wow. Ooh, wee, sweet. So, as you know, I like to do this. All right. So for about $700, this is the special edition, mind you. All right. This is the most expensive one. For $700, you get all these gadgets. Of course, you get the phone, you get a charging brick, charging cable, and a bumper here. All right. Let's slap this on here. See how it looks. Voila. It looks nice. You got your controls right here. I'll show you guys in a bit. Okay, what do we have here? So this is a gaming edition. All right, this is a gaming edition device. So I'll show you kind of. Let me see if I can hold on. Let me just take this off the camera. I don't want to break it. Jeez. All right. I'll put this here. Let's just move this away and focus on the device. So on the left side, there you go. On the left side, you have your volume rocker, okay? On the bottom, you have your SIM tray, your power cord, okay, the plug, and one of your speakers right here. This is a cool style of speakers. Look at that, okay? Over here, you have your, this is your power button, okay? And this is your finger scanner as well. Over here, you have your joysticks, okay? Let me just, you slide these two things right here and it's on. I mean, it expands and you can start using it as, you know, as you're playing a game. But if once you're done using the game, all you have to do is just slide those puppies, okay? And it just puts it back into place. There you go. So let's do it again. See, yeah, these are the gaming joysticks right here. Okay, once you're done, just slide it. There you go. You have another speaker here. Okay, as you can see, powered by JBL right there. All right. So, okay, let's power this bad boy on. Let's see if there's any juice. All right, let me just wipe down the screen, guys. So this is a nice device. Look at that. Look at that. You got Redmi's branding in the back. Bruce Lee, King of Kung Fu. All right, let me just put my password. Voila. This is how it looks, how it functions. So like I said, this is 120 hertz refresh rate. As I told you, this doesn't support Google Play, even though I tried to install it right here, but it doesn't work, as you can see, you know, which sucks, okay, which sucks. So I'll just walk you through briefly. If you've seen my other videos on Xiaomi's reviews, it's pretty much the same, okay? It's pretty much the same. There's no differences, okay? You still have your always on display. Okay, always on display, notification effects, sleep time, raise to wake, double tap to wake the screen, lock screen clock format. You have some options right here, okay. What else? Launch camera right there. So let's just get out of here. You have your display right here. Okay, you have a dark theme. I'll keep it on dark theme for now. Okay, color scheme right here. Saturated, standard, advanced settings, and auto recommended. And this is, let's go here, refresh rate. Right now I'm rocking on 120 hertz refresh rate versus 60. Why not? Okay. What else? Home screen. You have your default launcher right here. You have only one type. Okay. The app layout, home screen search bar, navigation, system navigation. You have log home screen layout, icons. Let's see what's in icons. Okay, this you can just adjust the sizes and stuff right here. Anywho, so I'm not going to go into a lot of details here. As you guys know already, Xiaomi is pretty much standard. This is your toggles and stuff. Okay, what do you have here? You have flashlight, mute, Bluetooth, auto brightness, airplane mode, screenshot, lock screen, rotate, scanner, DND, battery saver, Mi Share, which is a power share, cast, so on and so forth, hotspot, vibrate. So like I said, it's pretty standard. Okay. Let me just go all the way bright here. It has a beautiful display. It has a beautiful bright display. Okay. I love the fact that this is an aluminum frame, by the way. This aluminum frame is all blacked out to match the phone. This is sick. I love this device. I'll definitely get one, probably for myself once the global version comes out. Okay, the presentation is sick. So you do have on not on screen, it's on the side if you want to unlock with your finger scanner right there. There you go. Look how fast it is. Instead of under the display, it's right on the side. Okay, look how fast it is, guys. And of course, you have face unlock too. All right, it works as flawless as, there you go. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hold on, now it's locked. Now I'm watching it. There you go. So just pay attention to that right there. Look how fast. Look. Bam. So it's very fast. Okay, it's a very fast phone. What else you guys want to see? Unfortunately, I can't test the speakers because I don't have YouTube and I don't have any music in here. But or else I would have tested the speakers. But I'm pretty sure it's pretty crazy because it's powered by JBL. I mean, look at the details. Okay, I have to show you the details here. Look at those speakers. Look at how it's carved out. Okay, usually you get those standard crap like those either those punch holes like Apple does. Okay. But look at this. Look at how detailed it is. I love the design. I don't know. I love this power on and off button right here. That stands out. I love this joysticks right here. Okay, which do you want to play? Like I said, just move them. Pops out. Bam, bam, bam. You can start playing. Once you're done, just slide those. Tucks it in nice. Okay, so you don't have to touch it. It does have always on display. It has the same always on displays as the other Xiaomi devices. Okay, there you go. Let me just open that bad boy up. What else you guys would like to see here? Tell me. Let me just bring this up because it doesn't have Google Play. I just can't show you, a lot of things here. I don't know. Let's go here. My device, as you can see, it's running on 12.5. I don't understand why. Let's check all the specs. Redmi K40 gaming, 12 gigabytes of RAM. Okay, octa-core, 3.0 gigahertz touch rate, Android version 11. Okay. All that goodies. I don't know. So this is pretty much what I can show you for now on this device, but I wanted to show you guys how it looks overall, how slick this phone is. This is sick. Can you imagine you pulling this out of your pocket in the States? You're like, what the hell is that? Where'd you get that case from? You're like, hey, bud, it's not a case, it's a phone. Look at that. the branding, the Bruce Lee here. This is Kung Fu Panda. I was about to say Kung Fu Panda, King of Kung Fu. This is nice. What is it here? So fast comes first. KO. Anywho, guys. So this was a quick unboxing of the Xiaomi K40, the gaming edition, special edition. Okay. I love the phone. One sucky part is it doesn't support Google Play for now, but that will change once this phone is released with the global RAM. So if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Let me know. Okay, let me know what you guys think about this device. If there is a way for me to download the Google Play that will work, I will post the instructions in the description. But for now, I was able to download it, the instructions that I found on Google, but for some reason it's still not working. Okay, so that's why I'm not gonna post that. But for $700, I got this from eBay. You can get all these. Okay, bad boy right here. I love how this phone looks and feels. It has a nice weight to it. I think it's 209 or 206 grams. Okay, which is really nice. Not a cheap material. Feels really good in the hand. You got Gorilla Glass 5 front and in the back. Okay, you got aluminum frame, not plastic crap, and the design. I don't know. I've been barking about the design for a couple of times already, right? So, I mean, look at this, man. Look at these details that they've done right here. I wish you can see in the camera. Okay, look at those lines right there. Do you see how detailed it is? It's just nice. I don't know. But anywho, hit me out in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about this device. Okay. Again, stay tuned for more videos. I'll be dropping it soon. Again, thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for supporting me, guys. I really appreciate it. Stay healthy. Spread love as much as possible. We all need it. All right. Thanks for watching my videos, guys.